Hey everyone and welcome. I'm Kevin. Today I'll be presenting a video of a website that I've created for a fictional client called Komfort Kicks. Now Komfort Kicks is a retailer of athletic footwear and clothing, and I'll go into more detail later, but in case you're wondering about the shirt, it has a soccer theme in the video, so stay tuned. Okay, I have a picture here of the actual website. Some things to keep in mind. I'll show you some live footage in a second. The headline is "We Do It for Kicks." It's animated. It comes in one letter at a time. Of course, we have the logo to the right of that and a main menu button. Next to the left at the bottom, we have the famous Kaka soccer player and a description about him in a white text box just below his chest. Next, we have a white soccer goal graphic, and in front of that, two buttons, one for activewear, one for neon kick. The company had stated in the instructions that it wanted a call to action to get to the clothing and the shoe wear website pages. Even with the kicking theme, I have designed a spinning, or actually two spinning soccer balls I'm really proud of, and I also have attached a kick sound to those, and I have the instructions "kick here" in front of those so that when you do click those or kick them, you get a kicking sound. We'll demonstrate that in just a few minutes. So when you do kick here on the activewear button, this is where you go to the activewear page. On the left, we have women's jerseys. On the right, we have men's. Interesting to note is I had two images to work with. One is the white women's image on the left. One is the yellow men's jersey on the right. I created the rest of these jerseys in Photoshop by adjusting colors and using color overlays. And when you kick here on the Neon Kicks button, you go to the Neon Kicks page, which looks like this. We have neon shoes. And also to go back to the main menu, you just click the main menu button at the top right. So that gives you an idea of what the pages look like individually. And let's take a look at the live site. Just kick the main menu button. So just kick here on the activewear button. And here you see the various men's jersey colors along with the women's shirt colors. Let's go back to main menu. Just kick here. This, of course, takes us to our Neon Kicks web page. There's a main menu, the Komfort Kicks logo, a description about our Neon Kicks shoes. And let's head back to the main menu. I really spent a lot of extra time trying to get some realistic looking soccer balls. The technique that I found was interesting. It is actually a circle shape on a mask layer with a soccer ball pattern underneath it. The pattern is actually what moves and not the shape. Then on top of the circle shape, there is another shape with a gradient overlay of transparent to black. If you'll notice around the edges of the ball, they seem to have a darker shadow. That's what gives it that 3D look. So interesting technique there. Reflecting back on the creation of the website, I feel like it was a big success. I learned how to create interactive buttons, use sound effects. Also learned how to use ActionScript and JavaScript to go to both other pages in the animation as well as other pages on another website. But most importantly, we were able to create a very fun and interactive website. So thank you very much. It has been my pleasure.